Welcome, in front of me is the BLUBOO S8 and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on the device. So, getting started, only need to find the content that you wish to capture and have it open on your home screen or on your screen overall. So let's assume I'm gonna take a screenshot of the settings right here. As you can see now it's visible, so all I need to do now is hold power key and volume down, both of them at the same time. You get this animation. Also you have the option to shrink it down if you want to basically crop the image to capture a specific area of it. And you can also capture a scrollable one, as you can see right here. So if you're in an area, as an example, settings is a good one, where you can scroll down, and we'll start scrolling it down, and where you want to stop, you can just tap on stop. As you can see now it captured way more content, so it captured a scrollable one. Now tap on save and your screenshots can be found in your photo gallery. So let's go in there after I agree to everything. And from here let's go to albums and we have screenshots. And there's a screenshot. As you can see, this is the scrollable one. You can see that if it fills the screen as it would normally do in settings, you have just a scrollable image. Now I also captured before on home screen, but this is a one that I captured a little bit before. And again, to capture it, like I said, power key, volume down, hold it, you get this, and at the end you have to tap on save in the corner, or you just wait for it to disappear after about like 3 seconds. You can see there it is. So that is how you would capture a screenshot, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.